Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming this is a flip-style Audi A3 Key that holds a CR 2032 battery in its plastic fob. Lay a soft cloth to protect the key finish and work under bright light. Have a 2mm flathead screwdriver or €1 coin ready. Either will fit the seam for most A3 fobs. Do not use excessive force and avoid metal tools that can slip and scratch. Keep the small emergency metal key removed and set aside so it does not hinder prying open the fob. Slide the emergency metal key out fully so you can see the seam where the two plastic halves meet. Hold the fob with one hand and, at the seam near the key slot, insert a 2mm flathead screwdriver or a €1 coin. Press gently and twist in small increments. Work slowly around the seam rather than prying from one spot. This protects the internal plastic clips. Once you feel the halves begin to separate, continue with light twists until the fob opens and the battery compartment is visible. Observe the battery orientation before removal. Most Audi A3 fobs show the positive side up and use a CR 2032 cell. Remove the old battery carefully, avoid metal contact with terminals, and insert the new CR 2032 in the same orientation. Align the plastic halves and press evenly until you hear the clip snap back together, then slide the emergency key back into its slot. Test the remote at 1 to 3 meters for lock, unlock, and flip functions, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.